Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to download only a plain text of your document in WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So I just need the plain text. I don't want any format option here, any color option here, any image here. So if you have any image on the document, you just need only the plain text. You can download it from WPS Office Writer by using this method. So first of all, go to the menu option here. Then you just want to click on the save as option here, and here you just if you can also use this and also use just save option here and click OS. Then you can see you can export as a WPS document. You can see the other format option here. Just click this. Now you just select the folder and it automatically in a WPS format, but you just need to change it to plain text file type. You just need to change as text files or plain text. You're having a text files option here. Just click it and save it. Now it will show like this. You just click as Windows default and OK. Now it's open in the notepad because everything has been created as a plain text. There is no format, no spacing, only the text only will be copied here. So this will be so useful for a lot of the things. I think this video help you a lot. If it is really help you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.